Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you that how to clean the charging port for the iPhone 8 Plus. Actually, people say that my charging port is damaged, but actually it is not. It is a little bit dirty. You can see it's not charging. Actually, the charger is not going all the way. See, you have to just hold it like this, or you just move it like this, then it will charge. See, so let's try to clean it. For that you need this tool, and then you have to do just like this. Look like so much dirty. See, yes. And then if you have a duster, you can just like check it. See, here it is. It's charging again. See, now the charger is going all the way and it's charging. Thank you very much for the watching, and if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe it, share it, and press the bell icon so it will let you know that when I upload my new video. Thank you very much.